This guy is not messing around. He's done this before. They're already out.
Whoa.
What's your name?
Warren.
Warren, I'm Frank. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I've got a YouTube channel, so I'm like talking about what a great service I'm getting. This is Warren from Mount Hood Glass in Portland. He got here and my glass was out in 5 minutes. I called him. Price was incredibly reasonable. It's a little loud because there's a lot of stuff going on around here. But here we go. Mount Hood Glass, 503-667-0290. If you're in the Portland area and need glass, these guys knock it out and they do a great job. Well, he just got done. From start to finish, 20 minutes. No joke, 20 minutes. Insane. Brand new windshields, both of them. They're both cracked on the bottom. Can't say how happy I am. And the price was, I don't want to quote prices because it could be different for every person, but I will tell you it was over $100 cheaper than Safelite. And it was done today, and Safelite was gonna do it on Monday. So extremely happy. Mount Hood Auto Glass, if you're in the Portland area, 503-667-0290. We finished our run, delivered in Portland, still do not have a load out. I'm watching the load board. I tried to get a few, but I missed out on them, little glitches here and there, but that is what it is. And there's the cat, and there's Stephanie. I gotta move away from this truck because it's squeaking like crazy and it woke my wife up. That is not good. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. Bye. Hey, welcome back, everybody. We got the windshields replaced on the truck, as you saw. incredible. He did it in 20 minutes. Big shout out to Mount Hood Glass. So another one of my friends lives here in Portland, actually in Troutdale, and that's him right there. This is Alex, and we've been friends. How many years have we been friends now?
Way too long.
Way too long? Come here, get in frame. Okay, so this is Fat Frank, and this is, he used to look like this. Not anymore. No. You guys think I'm joking. I can show you pictures. Anyways, check it out. So I came over here, updated my Xbox, my computer, my iPads, my phone, everything using his Wi-Fi. We did get a load. We are picking up less than 30 miles from here. I still need you. We are picking up tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and we are going to Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Chapel Hill, North Carolina, 2,862 miles. It's showing deadhead of no miles. I don't think that's right. How far is Newburgh from here?
About an hour.
About an hour. So about an hour away. We're going to stay here in Troutdale overnight. And we head to Chapel Hill, which is 2,862 miles, deliver on Monday, confirmed at 8 a.m. Good deal. We get out on Friday. Some of our friends took loads on Monday and Tuesday. The difference being when you do something like that, when you get the Friday load, I'll already have revenue to the truck over the weekend, which we will have banked. And when they're picking up their load, I'll hopefully be onto another load. Name of the game in expediting. Sometimes you gotta be a little patient. And it paid off. Oh God, he's gonna shine the light on me. He keeps telling me how I need to have better. Wow, what are you doing, dude? Now I look like the Exorcist. What are you doing?
Having fun with you?
Yeah, but I'm gonna put this up. Like, look at the shadows now. Woo! I mean,
That's
and I'm
the
looking over
worst.
here.
That's the worst.
I'm not editing this out. I'm leaving all of this in.
All right, so there's normal Frank.
What do you guys? You think I need the light? Shine the light on me.
Wow.
I don't know. I keep looking over here because I have the display. Okay. So, anyways, this is what a little bit of light does to me. Anyways, I came over here. I am doing some editing, and I wanted to show you something really quick. Let me flip this around. Okay. So, here is the light, and this is what I edit on. This is a MacBook Pro, and then Alex does video editing. He's helping a lot. Okay, this is Alex's setup, his computer, and there's 3 gigantic monitors. That's his beautiful son. So tell him a little bit about. This is Alex. Let's put the light on him.
It looks amazing. I don't look good with shadows.
Okay. So, all the girls are going to want to know who Alex is.
Jesus.
Yes, ladies, he's that ripped. Okay. So, I was a DJ, and I was doing some country music, and then I went up to Alaska for 7 months, and I got a gig at my last DJ gig, which was Revolver at the Santa Fe station in Las Vegas, which no longer exists. When I was coming back from Alaska after doing a gig at Coots up in Alaska, I really wanted to implement video into my repertoire. So the foremost person in the country who did country videos was this guy. And Alex went by the name, and still does, DJ Cut. And so I reached out to him through a mutual friend, John Cha, right? And I ended up purchasing his library, and we became very good friends. 2010 now.
Guess you could say that.
Yeah. So, but Alex was already doing video, and now this whole setup, what he does now is really high-end weddings in the Northwest, in the Portland area, and he also builds, what is that, After Effects?
Yeah.
Yeah, he builds a lot of animations and stuff like that. Some of my older videos with maps It was really intense. He really tried to help me, and I haven't asked him to do a map for me in a long time. And the reason I haven't is because it takes a lot of work, a lot of hours, and I felt guilty about it. And he was really trying to be a good friend, and I just felt like I was asking too much of him. But he has helped me a lot, and he's one of my biggest critics.
This video looks amazing on you. Look at that. Look at that.
Speak up, man.
The video live looks amazing on you.
It looks amazing on me. Is this for me? Are you giving that to me?
I already gave you one.
Oh, the
probably
big square one?
It's probably
no, I have it in the truck. I didn't know that it attached to this. That's pretty cool, though. Because I have one of these.
If you want that, I can give you this stand because I don't use it, but yeah.
Okay. But, yeah, let me spin this around a little bit, get you... yeah, so if you are a bride, if you're getting married, if you would like really high-end DJ lighting and video production for your wedding or your event in the Portland area, I will link his website down below.
We travel everywhere.
Yeah. He does go to Vegas. Somebody was kind enough to get him gigs in Vegas, you know. So he does do some gigs in Vegas.
Hold on, let me pick up my balls from kicking me. Asshole.
But he helps me a lot with color, with a lot of video stuff. The little tiny things that I put into the videos and stuff. The spinning logo, that's him. Don't put it by my head really big, right?
Right.
That was another video. Well, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and check out his website if you want to do any kind of video production. If you want a great DJ for your event, check him out. He's top notch, and I'll link a couple of his videos in so you can check out some of the work that he does. You know, the stuff I do, I just do what I can, what I have. This guy is amazing at what he does. Hope you like this video. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope that you found some information that you could use. If you're interested in more videos like this, check out this video right here. And if you're interested in expediting or trucking, or you have any questions, make sure you check out the link below.